Hello everyone, greetings from Timor-Leste. We just arrived from Australia 2 hours back, and we have John and David taking the video. They are here for our maintenance, and we are just going out to do a quick engine run up. Greetings from Delhi again. It's been a good week, and yeah, we're just taking a break, and it's weekend for us.
One airplane finished.
One airplane finished, and we still got one more to go. And John and David has been doing a lot of work.
Oh yeah,
and,
yeah.
There's David, Marcus, and Tim, and we are here at City 8. There's no crocs and sharks. I want to take you to challenging places. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, we are back to our channel again. We are just past K41 in Delhi. It's about 41 kilometers from the main city, but this is another 5 kilometers extra. And as you can see, it's a beautiful place around, and yeah, we don't even have to go far. We just about 5-10 meters, and there's beautiful views on there. And I've got a mat, so.
Oh, this is nice up here. This is beautiful.